Cuddle muffin time. What's up, guys? We are Team Cuddle Muffins. I am the sexiest leader, Alex. This is, what's your name, Aaron?
A review guy, of course.
A review guy, Aaron. And this is the Killer Kitten Art. We're starting up our own, yes, you're the Killer Kitten.
I'm the cat.
We're starting up here, beautiful Showboat Park. We got a tournament here next week. Me and Art are going to do the Showboat tournament for doubles. We're going to get a little time in today. Let's go, boys.
First time I've actually used this steering around. Ooh, that wind took it. That wind did not like that disc. Except this is an XD. Same disc.
How'd you throw an Art?
I didn't even know you had one of those in your bag.
Looked like it wanted to come down and run.
By the way, to all my Michigan friends, if you want a good disc dye done, my boy Nick from Dank House Dyes, he'll hook you up. This sexy disc, this is a Buzz. Mega evolved, baby. You gotta get that disc.
Ooh, Aaron's bit past.
Alex's first time trying out the Buzz here that he just got done talking about.
Oh.
I'm not going to call him by his nickname. Alex is the out here.
This crap Luna.
I don't know, maybe 25 feet, 20 feet.
Probably longer than that. Get there. Oh!
And we got Art up here, and then mine is over here, so I'm the out guy. Alex, go ahead and take over.
I will take over.
Nope. Oh.
Art looking extra stealthy on that throw. All right, Alex, show us what you got here.
This disc is going to come in handy a lot today with the wind. Oh! Road rash. Oh, you got lucky. I'm pretty much marked.
Change the strategy.
Game's a Buzz.
Your Buzz, okay.
Uh-oh. Oh, carry. Okay. Nice.
Not awful. You could be in the road.
I think that's actually what it will be.
Yeah, rolling across it'll be. Now we got the sexy Killer Kitten. Woo. Uh-oh. Okay, not bad.
Hard approaching up. Uh-oh.
What was that, Art?
And Art threw a Buzz and it buzzed right onto the pavement. Go Aaron. Aaron's pretty much putting from here. Oh. Trees are your friend, Aaron.
Alex walking up to
Probably
the
about
second
the bar.
shot here.
But at the same time, there's a chance I will screw this up. Nope. Oh!
And that chance was correct.
art parks. Nice in, Aaron.
Help me there.
Awesome stir fry.
All right, so this one's an interesting hole.
Just gotta
Holes
figure
up
out
there.
what'll buy me temperature.
Only issue is there's a river right behind it.
Turn it all
Let's
on
hope
low,
nobody
or one of them on low.
overthrows their shot. I want to try parking this, but
300, this is
I'm almost a little scared too.
Alex throwing here.
Sit. Oh!
And he parked it. Nice.
Not-
Your SS.
Uh-oh, don't, hook in, hook through. Oh!
It might be dry.
I don't have my other Avenger on me either.
Looking like it.
We're letting people play through, so I know Aaron wants to advertise some stuff. Aaron, what you got to advertise?
What am I going to advertise? Well, I want you guys to go over to A Review Guy over on YouTube to watch some of my reviews. I have some technology reviews. I have some mouses, keyboards, so forth and so on. Hope to get some new criteria out there for you guys, so go ahead and check it out.
Check him out. Check out his channel. We're going to start our own channel, obviously. But I also want you to check out my boys my boy Sean and his lovely wife Lisa at Face Kicked Apparel. They're actually in the process of making our first ever Team Cuddle Muffin hoodies. Art just nearly got nailed by a disc, but yeah, go check them out, facekickedapparel.com. They'll do a wonderful job for you if you're in the area. Just top-notch people with top-notch products. Try them out. Resume and play. Comes Art's throw. Art's on the cement. Oh, dude, I would have popped pretty hard if you made that.
Man, the wind like that. That wasn't nice.
Chained it. Nice shot right here. Not too bad.
I was wondering if you were gonna put the camera in your hand. Oh man. Apparently it's been an interesting round. I'm winning. Art, I'm winning. I'm gonna tell Griffiths too. He'd be like, ha ha ha, Art sucks. They got +2, I got +1. I'll take it for right now. Hole 1 could have gone better. But
Oh, let's see what the force can do. May the force be with me. No. You're a Jar Jar Binks fan. Oh, I was watching it like a sucker sideshow.
probably a better shot than me. Maybe around the same.
I'm going to throw an old Discraft Spectre and see how it rolls out there for me.
Nice.
Good old comment starters.
There we go. Turn.
Right for him, right for him. Oh, good.
Oh shoot.
Thank you, Win.
There we go.
Thank
I
you,
knew it was
Win.
going to come back, but the wind really helped it.
Right.
Too bad it didn't flatten it out a little bit. That would have been even better.
Just keep it rolling. Just keep it rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling.
Rolling
Them puppies rolling.
All right, so let's see who can get the best throw here, Alex.
Try playing this on a little bit of a hyzer.
Don't hit the birdhouse in the tree up there either.
I'll explode those birds if I want to.
Right at it. Oh, there you go.
Nice.
Oh, it knocked it down hard when it turned.
I'll take it though. I'll take it.
No, but see where the little sign is?
Yeah, I see
Right
it.
above it's that bird.
Yeah, I see it.
Sure, it's been hit.
Uh-oh. Speaking of which, oh, nope. Aaron's over there.
That thing did not turn.
Oh, original line, Paul Macbeth Force. Whew, that's sexy. Yeah, I parked that one last time. 9. Woo, it's windy.
On that one, it should have turned, and I mean, it just went straight. It's like, really, it went the other way.
Just gonna throw a shark. I got duels of that, so.
Well, the par 4, Aaron's got his third shot from all the way over there to there. Art's right there. I'm a few feet in front of Art. It's gonna be interesting when this is a 24-hole course next week. Art, I'm still wondering what this is gonna be next week when it's a 24-holer.
I'm sure, like, they'll probably, you might get an extra hole here. You know, a little dinky one here. You know, they'll put the 6 holes as you come around.
Right.
You know, so you hit this basket somehow, and then you come from here, you go there, then go back to that one, I guess, and there. That's the only thing I think of. They're gonna have to put them in, you know, and then around the other baseball fields. They'll do it.
Aaron, I dare you to try skipping off that picnic table. Oh!
Like when they were playing at the Liberty football stadium.
But none of us are Paul Macbeth.
No, that'd be fun. What if we get into the big house?
Why would I want to do that?
Out the tunnels.
I'll throw one at Jim Harbaugh. Not quite.
Sucking it up on this one.
You rolling?
Yeah.
Get that.
No.
Oh.
That.
These aren't my friend Art.
Nice grunt.
Had that shed some leaves here. It ain't even gonna make it to middle October. Leaves come off that ground. I didn't hit a tree.
You just shot it low.
Yeah. Just tried to get it right through that little hole right there.
Uh-oh. Aaron's pretty much right there with us. Aaron's up first. Boom. Oh, where's getting a good hook in? Get there.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I'll take that.
Actually, it might be technically OB, but we're not playing OBs, so.
That wouldn't be OB.
I actually said the path is OB.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, just gotta be so specific, don't you? Yeah, I would.
I said we're not playing OBs, so.
Oh my god. Man pushed that thing right down.
Right down. I see, I was thinking of playing this with my rock. I want to actually play with my
puzzle us. Okay. Not the shot I wanted, but it's a shot.
All right, so it's Aaron behind the camera here. Just gonna go ahead and walk up to these next shots. I mean, honestly, had to shut up for Art there, but honestly, first couple holes, I'm not a fan of just starting out without a warm-up, but hopefully we can make some better things happen.
Oh, it's hard out. Here, let me block the wind for you. Yeah, I'd appreciate that. Oh, dang.
So I think we're in agreement. Today's just gonna be a 9-hole thing.
Yeah, we got to just do 9 holes. Alex and Art have a tournament, so we need to throw without the distractions of the camera and just have a good old time with the boys. We want to give you some footage though, so
We're gonna get some good footage. And you know what? We got some fun stuff in plan. I'm if we're being honest, I'm basing a lot of what I'm doing off of Simon Lizotte.
there you go.
I'm going to base a lot off of Simon's channel. I'm going to do a gimmick similar to his wheel. We're gonna have a Halloween special. I'm thinking you're down for the pitch for Halloween, right?
Well, I don't know if I'm gonna wear a camera, but not camera, sorry, costume. But
I'll definitely be in
go
costume
out
for
there.
the Halloween edition.
Costume every day.
Shut up, Art. You gonna be a part of our Halloween special?
I don't know.
You should.
It's too early to say.
And maybe even Disc Dad. I think Disc Dad might be joining us for that.
There you go.
So yeah, we got a lot of stuff in plan coming. We got a ton of stuff in plan coming.
Mama has the babies and stuff.
There you go.
It's like a warming station, they call it, but you know,
Right.
go there and eat 4 or 5 hot dogs.
Always gotta love hot dogs.
There you go.
Hey, that one came around for you pretty nice.
Looking at it.
Take that. I will take that.
So hole 6 is where we're at. So we got this hole and a few more to go yet. Art's up to throw.
Not that much. Not that much. What you thinking there?
I'm using a Nova Champion Beast.
Beast, good choice for an overstable driver on a windy day. There you go. Look at that go. Look at that. Nice.
The disc can throw.
Right.
Man, Art almost dropped the disc. Said forget it. That disc is older than me that he's throwing. It's a Ken Climo Firebird.
Yeah.
That is nuts.
Ultra long range driver.
Nice.
9-time PGDA World Disc Golf Champ.
Get a close up of that.
Look at that. That thing is sexy. Woo. Ooh. Art might be a little wet.
Danny
There
in
you
the
go.
water there.
Relax. Okay. Oh, stop. Oof. See, I'm gonna try anhyzering my Luna. This disc can get a little bit of a nice anhyzer on it. Flatten out. Stop. Okay.
Oh, you're on the road, man.
Out of
I'm
bounds.
partial. 2 seconds that I don't record. Art makes like the best putt of the day.
And for my disc, I essentially just whoop, right over the tree there, landed maybe 15 feet away from the holes.
Got a nice 15-foot shot. Woo!
Slide it in.
Sliding it in. I already made mine. I tapped in. So this is one of those holes where you can easily lose your disc. This one's a 276-foot shot. I might want to go with a different disc actually. You can't even see the hole until you kind of go across here, and then it's all the way down there. see it slightly now, but let's see what I can do.
Oh, I can't even see. Okay, well, I'm in the clear. Wow, I got some distance to go, but
Hot pink for the murder kitten.
The murder kitten likes his firebirds.
Woo, the murder kitten's throwing an understable disc. Woo.
it's down there and right in the grass. That's all that matters.
I'm gonna throw a champion beast.
Champion beast. I need one of those back in the bag. Speaking, oh boy, it's not trying to turn. There it goes. There it goes. Speaking of brands, comment below your favorite brand. You know, what do you like? Discraft, MVP, Innova, Axiom. What's your favorite? What's your favorite?
So I like.
Got Aaron coming from out here. Uh-oh.
Man, it's not throwing where I want to.
Guess not. All kind of in the triangle of doom here. Nope. Into the weeds. Oh.
Viewers can't feel, they might be able to hear, is all this wind we got.
We got a ton of wind today.
Oh man. Oh man.
And that's what I mean by the wind. I mean, I know my shot was not a great shot by any means. That backhand throw was pretty terrible. But keep in mind, this wind is taking our discs quite a bit. I mean, we're no professionals. We're no Paul Macbeth.
Like Paul.
But
Hard.
Kitty's got to play right now with like the wind dead. Oh, though, except Aaron's got to go. Aaron's out. Oh, there he goes. There. Oh, parked. Go ahead, Kitty. Oh, even without the wind.
this is always nice.
Give it no more.
Oh, I'm sorry, my fat hand got in the way of the camera.
Right when I'm trying to throw again, the wind starts windy.
Well, that stinks. Four. Should have had 3. Yeah, that was just a stinker.
All right, we're on to the next one.
Oh, this hole with the baseball.
The fun obstacle for this hole is going to be a truck. Some jerk decided, oh, let's park the truck right where
Ford,
the
hit it.
It's a Ford? It's going to break down anyways.
It might be. I don't know.
Let's see, I've got to kind of aim towards it. Anyways, so.
Oh, don't go on the
no.
ball fields. You're in the baseball.
Well, looks like I got to take a nice tomahawk on the next throw. Thumber.
Looks like Art is throwing his trusty Firebird again.
No, that was a nuke.
That was a nuke. Okay, I'm mistaken. I just saw the white and thought maybe we were
No, because that flies halfway good in the wind for some reason. I think it's
Overstable.
That lip on it, yeah, it makes it overstable.
Avenger SS. I'm actually going to throw a super stable.
There you go.
Uh-oh,
Turn,
no,
it'll
it's
turn.
trying.
It's turning.
It's trying.
Yeah, that was down there where that little kid threw, man.
I think that's kind of where I was aiming, though. That's part of the problem.
Yeah.
There goes Alex entering the ball field where his disc went off. And we got Art right here, waiting his next approach shot. And you see that porta potty off in the distance? I'm somewhere off in that direction.
This side of the trail, though. Yeah, you got a good shot.
I think Art's gonna go ahead and.
Oh, Father, man.
Alex is gonna go ahead and throw. And he just barely made it over. Just on the other side of the fence.
Oh, that was perfect if it would have not hit that branch.
Who put a tree there?
I mean, it was...
Forehand with a buzz.
Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Alex thought I was...
Here comes Kitty. Uh-oh. Trees are your friends.
Man, I thought it was going to miss it.
That was looking beautiful too.
Man.
Trees are your friend though, Art.
Heck yeah.
That's why we got Aaron up. Button with that buzz. Oh, parked. Ooh, Art. Looking silky.
Woo. Get that. Oh. Oh, nice.
All right, guys. Final hole of the day. Hole 9 on the Showboat Park is a very interesting hole. Played alongside of the river here. Aaron,
What that river looks like, man.
I'll show them in a second. I can't like switch it over.
I know
But,
the kids jumped in there. They all threw their stuff in there and they come up with some extra bits.
Wonder if they came out with yours.
I don't know.
Both Aaron and Art have had bad luck on this hole. Both of them have had discs in the river. I have personally actually parked this hole before.
Yeah, this kind of
Okay,
river's
I'm gonna play like a sissy on this hole.
They're both saying they're not gonna go in the river. I'm not gonna either. But we'll see what today holds. Big old river. Right to the side,
Nasty
And-
Shiawassee.
down there. So right across the next to the Shiawassee River. Let's see what this hold holds today.
But out that way, it should hook back to the left. To the right, I mean. It should height. Oh, I'm gonna hand height for this. So you're gonna go out of that way.
I'm gonna go that way and then have it come back. This is an insanely overstable disc.
I overthrew it. Splash!
No, actually, I'm dry, but
I think Alex was a little concerned there for a second.
I was. Yeah, that was and I don't want to lose that disc. That's
Oh, that's your
Oh.
your favorite disc.
that's one of my favorites.
Art is throwing a ape here.
There it goes.
Art, I told you, man. I told you,
I didn't-
splash.
I wanted to angle.
Man, I already told you that was the rule for this round. Oh, well, Aaron's gonna stay dry this time.
Very dry. Now, normally that's probably out of bounds, but hey, I'll take it.
Well, Aaron accidentally stopped our video. Art and I think Art bogeyed. I parred. Aaron got his disc ran over.
Yeah, but the good thing is I actually parred that one.
He
So,
parred it.
Going into the back 9.
Going in the back 9. Art, come here. Hey. We here at Cuddle Muffins want to thank you for watching. Guys, what are we? We are the
Cuddle
Cuddle
muffin.
Cuddle Muffins. Subscribe, guys. Just a post video, a little extra. Look at somebody pulled Art's ape. There you go, Art. Yeah, you should put your name on it. We got lucky, didn't we?
Yes, sir.
I don't know where I got this disc at.
He doesn't even know where he got it at. He's got it back. Cuddle Muffins.